Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is a 2021 Grady-White 275 Freedom, one of Grady-White's most popular models, and I'm about to show you why. This particular boat is powered with twin 200 four-stroke Yamahas, and this has got the joystick controls on here, electric steering. This is the electric steering, some new stuff for 2021. You really got to come try this out, see how reactive the steering is on this boat. Ski pilot in the back, pops down, fish box, fold out bench seat on the back, really big entrance door in the back starboard side, easy to board, wet bar right here with fresh water, retractable lounge seat that slides with the push of a button, that slides in and out, gives you a nice sun lounger there. Hardtop, gorgeous painted hardtop. This underside of this hardtop matches the blue on the outside of the boat. Large head compartment, stereo, Yamaha display on here, nice 7-inch display. It's got all your functions instead of having a bunch of gauges all over the place. Again, this one has the joystick controls on it. This has got autopilot built right into it. That's going to save you a few $1,000 because you don't have to put autopilot on this boat. Nice high windshield, polished stainless steel windshield trim on this. Large bow seating area. One of the nice things about this boat is that it's deep on the inside. It's deep on the inside because it's a real deep V hull. It's got a real sharp entry on the bottom. It's a great ride, super smooth riding. You got to come try it out today. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Give me a call for a test ride.